Good morning, dear students. Today in chapter 10 simplification we are going to study using BODMAS on the fractional numbers. A question is given as an example which I will show you how to solve, and the same method you will apply for the given exercise as your today's maths work. So here the question is 1 upon 2 divided by bracket 1 upon 3 multiply 4 upon 3 bracket close minus 1 whole 2 upon 3. So first of all we already know that bracket should be solved first and remaining parts will remain, we will write as it is. So 1 upon 2 divided by 1 upon 3 into 4 upon 3. 1 4s will become 4 and 3 3s will become 9. Then minus, here we can solve it also, that is 3 multiplied by 1 will become 3 and 3 plus 2 will become 5 upon 3. Now as per the rule of BODMAS, first we divide then we subtract. So first we divide these two values given over here. So 1 upon 2 will remain as it is and divide will become multiply. Why? Because we reciprocal the digits. So 9 becomes the numerator and 4 becomes the denominator. Then minus 5 upon 3. So here 2 4s will become 8 and 9 1s will become 9 minus 5 upon 3. Now both the denominators are different, so we need to take the LCM. So LCM for 8 and 3, as 3 is a prime number, so we multiply the given number with the prime number. 8 3s are 24 is the LCM. 8 3s are 24, so we multiply 9 by 3. 3 8s are 24, so we multiply 5 by 8. 9 3s will become 27 minus 5 8s will become 40 is equal to 27 minus 40 is not possible, so we subtract 27 from 40, that will be 13. But because 40 is greater value and before it minus sign is there, that's why minus will come here and upon 24 will be the answer. The method you should apply to solve the question which I will give you today as your work. Thank you. Have a nice day.